Today class is continuation of consignment account. There are two parties in consignment account. One is the consignor, the second one is the consignee. Journal entries in the books of consignor. First one is the in consignment business. First goods sent by the consignor to consignee. First entry is goods sent on consignment. Consignment account debtor to goods sent on consignment account, being the goods sent on consignment. The second entry, some expenses spent by the consignor, goods sent on consignment to consignee, transport, loading charges, cartage, etc. Entry is consignment account debtor to bank account. Consignment account debtor to bank account, being the consignor expenses paid. And sometimes consignor asked security from the consignee in the form of cash, check or draft or bills receivable. Consignee is the new person. Consignor asked security, that is known as advance. Advance paid by consignee to the consignor in the form of cash, check, draft or bills receivable. The following entry is passed: cash, bank, bills receivable account debtor to consignee account. Cash, bank, bills receivable account debtor to consignee account, being the advance received from consignee. And advance is received on bills receivable. That bills receivable is discounted by the consignor with his bank. What is the entry for bill discounted with his bank? Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable account. Bank account debtor, discount account debtor to bills receivable account, being the bill discounted with the bank. And expenses, same entries, expenses, commission and bad debts. In three transactions only same entry. Consignment account debtor to consignee, expenses incurred by the consignee and commission paid to the consignee, and bad debts, any bad debts. If not paid the declaratory commission by the consignor to the consignee, that loss is paid by consignor, not paid by the consignee. The following entry is passed: bad debts account debtor to consignee account. Expenses entry, same entry. Commission entry, same entry. Bad debts entry, same entry. Consignment account debtor to consignee account, being the expenses incurred by the consignee, being the commission paid to the consignee, being bad debts incurred by the consignee. Next, goods sold by the consignee. Goods sent by the consignor to the consignee, the goods sold on behalf of the consignor. Entry for goods sold by the consignee. Consignee account debtor to consignment account. Sale entry, cash sales. Consignee account debtor to consignment account. And same entry is passed: goods taken by the consignee and goods lost by consignee negligence. Goods taken over by consignee, goods lost by consignee negligence. Same entry, consignee account debtor to consignment account. Sale entry, goods taken by consignee, goods lost by consignee negligence. Same entry, sale entry, goods taken by consignee, goods lost by consignee negligence. Same entry, consignee account debtor to consignment account. Next, goods returned by consignee, goods received back by consignee. The reverse entry, goods sent on consignment, reverse entry, returns. Goods sent on consignment account debtor to consignment account. Next entry, closing stock, any stock laid with the consignee, that is valued by the consignor, and write a journal entry in the consignor books. Consignment stock account debtor to consignment account. consignment stock account debtor to consignment account. And credit sales, consignment debtors account debtor to consignment account. Bad debts and credit sales, if not paid by the Dell Creditory Commission by consignor to the consignee, credit sales responsibility is to the consignor. Any bad debts arised from the debtors, that is paid by the consignor, not consignee. If not paid the Dell Creditory Commission by the consignor to the consignee. Consignment debtors account debtor to consignment account. Credit sales entry. Profit on consignment. Why are you prepare the consignment account? To find out the profit or loss on consignment business. Excess of credit over debit is known as profit. And explain the accounts. Consignment account debtor to profit and loss account. Consignment account debtor to profit and loss account, being the profit on consignment. Loss on consignment. Excess of debit over credit is known as loss on consignment. This entry is reverse. Profit and loss account debtor to consignment account. Next one is the remittances received from the consignee. At periodically, consignee one statement is prepared and sent to the consignor along with cash remittances balance, along with remittances balance sent to the consignor. That amount is paid in the form of cash, bank draft or check or bills receivable. Same entry as advance. Cash, bank, bills receivable account debtor to consignee, being the remittance received from the consignee, being the balance amount received from the consignee. And loading. Explain the next classes, invoice price and cost price. Loading means consignor sometimes goods sent to the consignee higher than the cost price, higher than the cost price, above the cost price. That price is known as invoice price. The difference between cost price and invoice price is known as loading or excess price in goods sent on consignment. Loading is included in two items, goods sent on consignment and closing stock. Excess price included in goods sent on consignment and closing stock. That amount is a removal by the consignor to find out the correct profit or loss on consignment. That amount is not, that loading amount is not removal. Excess amount is shown in consignment account. Profit is affected to the profit or loss on consignment. That loading amount is removal by the consignor. The following two entries are passed. A removal of loading in goods sent on consignment. Loading is included in two items, goods sent on consignment and closing stock. Goods sent on consignment, excess price is shown in the debit side of the consignment account. Closing stock is shown in the credit side. Excess amount is shown in the credit side. That amount is removal. It's shown in the opposite sides, both opposite sides. Goods sent on consignment is debit side and removal amount is credit side. Closing stock is credit side and removal amount is debit side. Removal of loading in goods sent on consignment. Goods sent on consignment account debtor to consignment account. Removal of loading in closing stock. Reverse, consignment account debtor to stock reserve account. Consignment account debtor to stock reserve account. And the last and final entry, goods sent on consignment account balance transfer to trading account. Goods sent on consignment account is closed. Goods sent on consignment account to debtor to trading or purchase account. Consignment account is a nominal account. There are three accounts prepared in the accounts in the books of consignor. There are three accounts are prepared in consignor books. One is the consignment account, The second one is the consignee or consignee personal account. The third one is the goods sent on consignment. What is the nature of three accounts? First one is the nominal account. Second one is the personal account. Third one is the real account. Consignment. First one is the consignment, nominal account. What is the rule for nominal account? Debit all expenses, losses, credit all incomes and gains, just like a profit and loss account. In consignment account, journal entries are posted into the consignment account. First entry, consignment account data to goods sent on consignment account. In consignment account, debit side to write a goods sent on consignment. Second entry, consignment account data to bank account, consignor expenses to bank account. Consignee expenses, consignment account data to consignee account. Just like a commission, consignment account data to consignee account. Bad debts, consignment account data to consignee account. Next one is the credit side, sales, consignee account data to consignment account, sales, consignee account data to consignment, cash sales and credit sales, consignment debtors account data to consignment account, credit sales and goods taken by consignee, same entry, consignee account data to consignment account, consignee account debtor to consignee account. Next one is the goods lost by consignee negligence, goods lost by consignee negligence and consignee account data to consignee. Same entry, sales same entry, goods taken by the consignee same entry, goods lost by the consignee negligence. All are sale entry is enough one. Consignee account data to consignment, consignee account data to consignment, consignee account data to consignment account. Next one is the closing stock. Unsold stock is valued by the consignor and shown in the credit side of the consignment account. What is the entry for closing stock? Consignment stock account data to consignment account. Next one is the loading in goods sent on consignment, loading in goods sent on consignment, loading in closing stock, loading excess price and loading ante excess price. It is cancelled. Shown in the opposite side. Goods sent on consignment loading is shown in the credit side. Consignment stock is removal of loading in consignment stock is shown in the debit side. To stock reserve, loading in consignment. To stock reserve, closing stock low loading amount is removal is shown in the debit side. Stock reserve account, loading in closing stock. Goods sent on consignment, by goods sent on consignment, loading in goods sent on, removal of loading in goods sent on consignment. Same entry, returns ki same entry, goods sent on consignment account data to consignment account. Loading in goods sent on consignment, goods sent on consignment account data to consignment. Load removal of loading in closing stock, consignment account data to stock reserve account. Next, excess of credit over debit is known as profit. The difference amount is known as profit. It is transferred to profit and loss account. Excess of debit over credit is known as loss. Loss is also transferred to profit and loss account. What is the entry for profit? Consignment account data to profit and loss account. Loss entry, profit and loss account data to consignment account. You are not by heart the journal entries. To well known the consignment account, to automatically to write the journal entries. So, heading debit items credit. Credit items debit, heading credit. Consignment account data to goods sent on consignment. Consignment account data to bank. Consignment account data to consignee. Consignment account data to consignee. Consignment account data to consignee. Consignment account data to stock reserve account. Consignment account data to profit and loss account. Heading debit items credit. Credit items debit, heading credit. Consignee account data to consignment account. Consignment debtors account data to consignment account. Consignee account data to consignment. Consignee account data to consignment. Consignment stock account debtor to consignment. Goods sent on consignment account debtor to consignment. Profit and loss account debtor to consignment. All entries are passed in consignment account. All entries are passed in consignment account. Next one is the consignee personal account or consignee account. Already consignee debit side 1, 2, 3. Credit side 1, 2, 3. And advance is separately shown in the consignee account only. What is the entry for advance? Cash, bank, bills receivable. First one is the advance. Cash, bank, bills receivable is shown in the credit side of the consignee account. Expenses, commission, bad debts. What is the entry for expenses, commission, bad debts? Consignment account debtor to consignee account. In consignee account, all are shown in the credit side. By consignment, expenses. By consignment, commission. By consignment, bad debts. Follow the consignment account. 3 items are shown in the debit side. These items are shown in the credit side. Which account? Prepaid consignment account. Consignee is shown in the debit side. These items are shown in the consignee account in the credit side. To write the consignment account. By consignment expenses, by consignment commission, by consignment bad debts. Sales and consignee account debtor to consignment account. Consignee account debit side to consignment account. Goods taken in the last. Consignee account debtor to consignee account debit side to consignment account. The difference between excess of debit over credit is known as remittances from consignee. Remittances from consignee. Cash, bank, bills receivable account. Cash, bank, bills receivable account debtor to consignee account. Consignee account is a personal account. Debit the receiver, credit the giver. And goods sent on consignment is a real account. Why are you prepare the consignment account? To find out the profit or loss on consignment business. Why are you prepare the consignee account in the consignor books? How much amount is remittances from the consignee by prepared by the consignee account in the books of consignor. To find out the remittances from the consignee. Consignment account is prepared to find out the profit or loss on consignment. Goods sent on consignment is prepared to closing the goods sent on balance is transferred to the trading or purchase account. Automatically goods sent on consignment account is closed. First one is the goods sent on consignment is shown in the debit side 1 time, credit side 2 times. Debit side item is written in the credit side items is written in the debit side. Another way to pass the entries and post it into the ledger. Consignment account debtor to goods sent on consignment. Goods sent on consignment credit side by consignment account. Goods sent on consignment account debtor to consignment account. Goods sent on consignment debit side to consignment account. Returns and loading. Excess of credit over debit is known as that balance is transferred to trading or purchase account. Trading or purchase account. And abnormal loss, how to find out the loading in goods sent on consignment, loading in closing stock, how to calculate the closing stock and explain the next classes. నా వీడియోస్ నచ్చినట్లయితే షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.